Pipestone Capital Corp. ESG funding. Attracting investors through sustainable business practices. In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, companies are not only judged by their financial performance but also by their impact on the environment, society, and the quality of their governance. This paradigm shift has given rise to a new dimension of funding, one that emphasizes environmental, social, and governance (ESG) principles. As investors increasingly prioritize sustainability and responsible business practices, companies aligning with ESG values are finding themselves in the spotlight, attracting funding that goes beyond just monetary gains. In this article, we delve into the world of ESG funding and how businesses embracing these principles are reaping significant benefits. What is ESG funding? ESG funding refers to investments made in companies that demonstrate a strong commitment to environmental stewardship, positive social impact, and effective governance practices. This approach considers not only financial returns but also the broader impact of a company's operations on various stakeholders, including employees, customers, communities, and the planet. ESG funding seeks to align investments with values, ensuring that capital flows into enterprises that prioritize sustainability, inclusivity, and ethical conduct. The rise of ESG investing. Over the past few years, ESG investing has gained substantial traction. Investors, ranging from institutional giants to individual shareholders, are recognizing that a company's long-term success is intrinsically linked to its ability to manage ESG risks and opportunities. Companies that effectively integrate these principles into their core strategies are often better equipped to navigate challenges, seize growth opportunities, and build lasting relationships with stakeholders. The benefits of ESG funding. Access to capital. Embracing ESG principles can open doors to a broader range of investors. ESG-focused funds and socially responsible investors actively seek companies that align with their values, increasing the pool of potential funding sources for businesses. Risk mitigation. Companies that address environmental and social issues are better prepared to manage risks associated with regulations, changing consumer preferences, and community relations. This resilience can enhance a company's long-term stability and attractiveness to investors. Enhanced reputation. Businesses with strong ESG credentials often enjoy enhanced brand reputation. Consumers are more likely to support companies that prioritize sustainability and social responsibility, leading to increased customer loyalty and market share. Innovation and efficiency. ESG principles encourage innovation in sustainable practices and technologies. Companies that invest in eco-friendly processes and social initiatives can uncover new avenues for growth while optimizing resource utilization. Talent attraction. Today's workforce seeks employers that align with their values. Companies committed to ESG principles tend to attract and retain top talent, fostering a motivated and engaged workforce. Long-term value creation. ESG funding encourages companies to adopt a long-term perspective. By focusing on sustainable growth and responsible practices, companies can create lasting value for shareholders, communities, and the environment. Pipestone Capital Corp. Empowering ESG-focused businesses. At the forefront of ESG funding is Pipestone Capital Corp., a leading advocate for sustainable business practices and responsible investing. With a commitment to driving positive change through financial support, Pipestone Capital Corp. Connects visionary businesses with the funding they need to realize their ESG-driven missions. Conclusion. ESG funding represents a significant shift in the investment landscape, emphasizing the importance of ethical, social, and environmental considerations in the business world. Companies that align with ESG principles not only attract capital but also foster positive change, innovation, and resilience. As investors continue to recognize the value of sustainability and responsible practices, ESG funding is poised to shape the future of business, paving the way for a more equitable, sustainable, and prosperous global economy. For more information on ESG funding and how Pipestone Capital Corp can support your business, please visit www.pipestonecapital.com. Thanks for watching.